Hey guys, welcome back to another video on my channel, and today, as you guys can see, I'm doing how to do a high puff, and I am collabing with YouTuber Beautifully J, so make sure you guys go check her channel out. But anyway, what we're starting with is my hair is already washed, conditioned, so she's gonna use this leave-in conditioner, and all the products that are seen in this video will be linked down below. So if I haven't mentioned it in the video, then it will be linked. So if you want to see what it is, it'll be down below. But she's just distributing it through my hair. This is gonna make the curls pop out at the end, and y'all see what I'm talking about. Yeah, so she's just distributing it. Now she's parting my hair, and she's getting ready to detangle it and also put it in plaits so it can curl up more, because my curls do tend to fall after it dries from washing it. So she's just detangling it with a brush and a rat tail comb. Now she's using Shea Moisture smoothie in my hair, and she's also using black castor oil in my hair. These also are gonna moisturize the curls. Depending on your hair type, you're gonna have to use what works with your hair. These products are what works with my hair, so make sure that you look in deep to make sure that it's gonna work for your high puff.
Yeah. It's the remix. It's the remix. It's the remix. It's the remix. Yeah. It's my vice and I could do what I want to. I could do what I want to. This my life and I could do what I want to. Yeah. I make time for the things I like. Yeah. Maybe we can do this all night. Yeah. And you only live once.
So now she's taking the plaits out. We left the plaits in for a little bit. As you guys can see earlier, she was putting plaits in my hair. This was to curl it up. So this is what they look like with all the products settled in. I think we waited for about 10 to 20 minutes, and then she took them out. And now we're ready to assemble the puff. So she's just running her fingers through it to separate them. Now she is going to take a headband. I think that's what it's called, like a really large headband. And she's going to put this on the top of my head. It's self-explanatory. I can't really explain it, but she's just creating it so my curls will be on the top of my head to create the puff. And we're going for a more kind of messy puff than a straight puff. I like messy puffs better than just like regular old puffs like that, I guess. So she's just making it stick out, and she's shaping it to my head. Now if you want to, wanna fuck but don't want to. Make love if you want to. For one night only, when you wake up, I be gone. Night, yeah. I remember waking up, wondering how it feel to wake up and not worry about the bills. Now I wake up like, look at how I live. Put OJ in my champagne, pop a pill. Yeah.
It's my life and I can have if I want to. No lie, girl, I'm on to. Try one if you want to. Wanna fuck but don't want to. Make love if you want to. For one night only, when you wake up, I be gone.
I do what I want to. You say you the one, I guess I'm the one. I just bought a Benz and she said she want one too. Airport only place where I don't bring my gun through. Yup, roll another blunt, fool. Fumbled all your packs, now who the hell gon' front you? We just came to eat, we might just take your lunch too.
She's gonna do my edges, and for gel, we used Eco Styler just to put down my edges and also the part of the hair that is not in the puff.
Time for that, how could you wish you never play me? Had no time for that, damn. Claim me, you my lady, got no time for that. How could you moving like you crazy? I ain't call you back down. Leave me alone. What you done for? What is on the box down? Leave me alone. What you done for? What you done for? Leave me alone. What you done for? What is on the box down? Leave me alone. Yeah, I miss you, but I got no time for that. You was my little lady, drive me crazy. I was fine with that, damn. How you just gon' play me? I ain't fine with that. Thinking about you, daddy, smoking crazy when I'm off the tag down. Flexing, oh, we was flexing. Always I told you that you be a star. Go sit on checklist down. Question, oh, check your message. Knew that could want to be from the start. Oh, she was texting down. Demon, she called. Leaving them gone, yeah.
And that's it, we're done. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you next time. And make sure that you subscribe to Beautifully J. She also has a video, so make sure you guys go watch that. And I'll see you guys in another video. Bye!
I'm tree high, she fly like G5. See your friends try to tell you how you need to stay back. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. But you see the player gotta play.